You're one of those who thinks that we should be permanently inhabiting Mars.
Well, more than anything else, as a scientist, I think we are curious. We want to know, what is on, how far down is the water? Can we use the water? Can we build a habitat where, folks could spend some time there? Definitely, there is that desire as a scientist, as an explorer, to explore our environments there. And also going back to some of the experiments that I've done.
What are the experiments?
Yes, so I have used model organisms because it's very valuable getting studies done on humans and getting blood samples and all of that. So there's a lot of science you can do there. But then there's a lot of science that you really need to get tissue samples from inside, or you need to do a lot of very detailed molecular biology to understand the changes. So there's been a variety of different experiments I've done, with my team, I should say. Science is a team sport.
It's team sport.
You always do it with a group of collaborators, team members, and so on. So one of the ones that we've done from my lab was looking at the changes in the brain. And
human brain?
The human, so I was actually using the fruit fly brain, which is not that different in terms of its fundamental function. The proteins that are used as transmitters to send information, very similar. And so we found that in space, there were definitely effects on the brain, on the fruit fly brain, as a result of spaceflight. And what was also interesting is we had an experiment where we were using a centrifuge to create an artificial 1G environment. And we found that we were able to partially reverse.
Meaning 1G at the
International Space Station. And
you were creating artificial gravity at the International Space Station for the fruit fly model.
Exactly. And we were able to reduce some of the defects that we were seeing in the nervous system after flight when we brought the flies back down and aged them.